This video, I'm going to show you how to find your lost phone using your smartwatch. So if you have a smartwatch and you misplace your phone, or you don't know where exactly you place your phone at home, with your phone and your smartwatch connected together, you can easily use your smartwatch to find your phone. Now this is called Find My Phone on mostly all the smartwatches. So here I'm using the Huawei Mi Bro Lite 2, and it does have a feature that is called Find My Phone. With the Find My Phone feature, you can easily ring your smartphone anywhere at home, or if you misplace it, provided the smartwatch and the smartphone are connected together. So to connect your smartphone together, if you don't know how to do this, you can just go to the video description below to see how you can easily connect your smartwatch to your smartphone, either iPhone or Android. Now, to use your smartwatch to find your phone, all you need to do is turn on your smartwatch and ensure the smartwatch and the phone were previously connected with Bluetooth turned on your smartphone. Now, tap on this setting. So suppose you are on the smartwatch home screen just like this. You just need to tap on this Mi Bro Lite rotation button. If you're using any other smartwatch, you can also use this button to access your smartwatch menu. Just press this once, and once it's pressed once, you should see the Find My Phone icon. So once you tap Find My Phone, just tap click to ring. Once you hit the click to ring button, this will make your phone ring wherever it is, and you'll be able to locate it. Now here is it. Stop. Phone is ringing. Click to ring. The phone will be ringing, and at the same time the phone will be vibrating. So this is the quickest way you can use your smartwatch to find your smartphone. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button, of course, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.